Baby.
Yeah.
Alright, girl. I love you.
I mean,
Why don't we have it, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you, babies. Guys, me on mute for 1 minute.
Good chat. Good game chat. Good game. Come in chat. Can we do our best? When I watch no face chat, can we do what we have to do? You understand? Yeah. Can we do what we have to do? Yeah, we not grow no bushes or run and beat up around no corner. Can we do what we have to do from our heart, right? That's all. You understand? If we have a share up life, who can recharge and send two gift. Listen, my man, our girl birthday look a dirty dog shit. Ease off our bumbo clot sweater. Dirty drunk, you send nothing. You didn't even have one blood clot gift badge you go talk about if your girl can't say thanks. Go lick out your sour mama. You not send nothing and you go there. Why you have to comment? Why make somebody with gift badge named blood clot comment and say that? Dirty nasty pussy girl. Pussy smell like over clinic. Dirty girl, your pussy just a drip like a kangaroo. Hey girl, go from yourself. You not send nothing in the comment more than the whole of blood clot gift to them. You not have a badge for your blood clot name. I hear the comment. But if, hey girl, go from yourself here. You think your blood clot thinking broke mouth can't put nothing up on Brit table? Hey girl, go from yourself, man.
Hey, we no comment over here neither, because we get black. And I like the man that
Come
tell
over
you
here,
to
comment.
disgust
Me watch you now. Let go of I comment, man. Make a gift to them talk.
And I like the man that tell you
I blood clot gift to them talk.
You come over here now and get
You
black.
don't talk.
No, ungrateful. When the man alone stand up. See, girl, me no see no now. No,
Birthday I go and hold our meds. Our birthday.
I know have the worst.
She a hold our
through the
meds.
woman come on.
Our meds she a hold. She a calm see.
Yeah, me just want
And you know Brit
slide
from day
over
one
here.
to Brit no talk. So what fuck you dey expect Brit for your talk for?
Alright, let me see.
Left a girl, man, her birthday. Sometimes I go on like so, you can't go on like you want to spoil people there. The girl there now in good mood. And this is a girl happy if you know say yo, our supporter them there. Watch it from your son, man. You know an artist thing, Ivani? You see somebody who get the MVP, Dave not talk.
I saw them careless and stay. That's why me not
He gift to them now say nothing at all. He gift to the person who was send them gift. Non-compliance and nothing bad.
When the girl
And the
get out
dirty
of
dog shit who don't
character,
have a gift badge.
when she
at
get
them
out
they
of
talk.
character,
And them are going like they want to spoil a little
and
energy.
just a go and chill, them a try to get her road. Black them as them comment, black them.
That not go to right now. As me see them comment.
And I make them spoil your day. And I make them make you say things to get black. Cause that then why you get banana. And I make them make you lose your page pan the day. Black them. Here.
Yeah, baby.
yeah.
Alright, girl. I love you.
Take this thing for your joke. Thing, you know. Wash your hands for black.
Thanks to everybody. Thanks to everybody who is supporting Britney. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to everybody who is supporting Britney. Thanks to you all. All of who they sending rose them. All who they help Britney go up in her rank. Me thanks all of you. May talk from my heart. Love and respect.
Ice.
And love. I thank you all. Bless
Come.
up everybody who has sent a rose. Bless up everybody who has tap a scream too. Yeah man, heart of love.
Left your sheet. Go and go play.
Heart of love to all of you. Yeah man, love. All of you we are sending a gift on a rose them and everything.
So Ivan, because I tell the people them say my birthday or tomorrow, would you believe so the people them avoid me?
Oh, you tell them from yesterday say your birthday today, so them will show up. So you're not doing a birthday match, Brit.
You should have seen how 50,000 people over here watching me. Understand?
Do I look a birthday match later, man? Want look a drop match?
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Somebody when you want to come up.
King Kung Fu, put one time
Alright, do that then.
and post it said we not gonna do a match no more, man.
Alright, do that then now.
King Kung Fu, as for them stay, they know what them a do.
Now make no forward, man.
King Kung Fu! Me know if you could let these save streaks, then me save them.
Bro,
You know.
come back now.
That is it. One King Kung Fu. Thank you, baby. Tomorrow, thank you, baby. Everybody big up. Come chat.
You're good, baby.
Well,
Hmm?
that's it, well.
I don't know. If nobody get blood. Chat, show it on the triple chat. Beg you know something up on the triple.
Guys, times 3.
Chat, show it something up on the time.
Big yourself,
Big up
boy.
yourself. Only God can judge me. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Spontaneous. Angel for life. Big up yourself.
Guys, use it triple.
Alright.
Tamara,
Kids
thank
move.
you. Why my keyboard looks so
Farm.
Jaja?
Shen Brown. Big up yourself. Chat, she said no, 3 not there in her face, so she don't need to do
Jaja,
makeup.
thank you.
She's not an ugly girl.
I'm not gonna do makeup because I can't find a makeup artist.
No, 3
Miss
not there in her face.
Woman, thank you,
I'm gonna do
baby.
my natural face.
Natural beauty. Natural beauty she a deal with. Natural beauty so she a deal with. Yeah, instead no patrol
Yeah,
on there
my
in her
keyboard set
face.
one type of
No
way.
bad
when
word
I
on
do
there in
that.
her face. She said camera now go mash if she take picture. Yeah. Kellyja. Fire.
Naturally look good.
Come in now, chat. Come in, chat. Believe no man nurse chat. 1 galaxy and 2 and out catch your speed. 1 galaxy and 2
Shit,
and
I will we not. Guys, we have nothing can catch
Pick up
a
yourself
speed.
with the money gun. Come in, chat. One more money gun and 2
Guys, we have
and out.
anything can catch a speed.
Chat, 2 more money gun. Or 1 galaxy catch your speed, chat. Chat, 1 galaxy catch your speed or 2 more money gun.
Guys,
Angel for life. Thanks for your
Catch the
galaxy.
catch a speed for me.
Big up yourself, Angel for life. Brit boo.
times 3 starting, guys.
Paula.
It's a heated match.
Paula, big up yourself. Storm, Jojo, big up yourself. Delight. Sponge with the galaxy, big up yourself. Spontaneous. Spontaneous Tash, big up yourself. Moms with the arm, tick tick, big up yourself, tick tick with that. Simple, Kids, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself with that one there.